I am not real. Don't trust what you are seeing and hearing. Ingat lang. Uso kami ngayon.
Opo, hindi rin po ako totoo. Huwag po kayong maniwala agad. Yes, we are now viral. Be careful.
Huwag po kayo basta magtiwala. I may appear real, but the truth is, I'm not.
Mahirap talaga ang maghanap buhay. Laban lang ng laban. It's a relief that I'm not real and don't exist.
Well, I might be in perfect shape, but not all is real. The internet and AI are a deceptive tandem.
I'm not real. Please be aware that not all online encounters are genuine. Learn to discern them.
Guys, I want to tell you that I am not real. So wag paniwalaan ang lahat. Isip-isip lang din pag may time.
Mukha lang po akong totoo, but in fact, imahinasyon lang po ako. Gawa ng AI software.
Ako nga po pala si Berta. I am not real and just a product of this nonsensical YouTuber. Joke lang po.
Ako din. I am just a creation of an AI software.